I am a fighter and not a quitter. I am resigning.
Keep taxes low.
Cut taxes. Lower taxes.
You know what that would do for people's mortgages?
I want to be on the side of people who do the right thing.
What I am about is about reducing taxes, getting our economy growing.
The government has defended its sweeping range of tax cuts from criticism that they favour the better off.
Are you absolutely committed to abolishing the 45p tax rate for the wealthiest people in the country?
Yes. I listened to what people had to say, and we have changed our policy as a result.
The Conservative Party will always be the party of low taxes.
Kwasi Kwarteng, the Chancellor, he's gone.
Should the Prime Minister go next, Mr Kwarteng?
We will reverse almost all the tax measures announced in the growth plan.
Gone, 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 gone.
Parts of our mini-budget went further and faster than markets were expecting.
How come you get to stay?
What credibility do you have? Will you apologise to your party?
I do want to accept responsibility and say sorry